Take a look at this 2009 Holden Commodore. This is the vehicle you've been looking for, with a reliable engine. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, curtain head airbags, power mirrors. Ride in style with the included premium wheels. The anti-lock braking system will help to keep you safe on the road. Rest assured, safety elements are included to provide you with a secure ride. If you're looking for a first-rate vehicle, this one could be yours today.